back to the channel. Today we are doing a clean with me series. Spring cleaning, summer cleaning, however you want to do it. We're doing it today. I pick one day out of the week, every week, to deep clean the majority of the house. And I say majority because I can do oh so much as one person. Let's go make some coffee real quick. Y'all, if you are an espresso drinker, get this. I will link it down below. It will be in my Benable, LTK, regular link, however you want to find this.
it and you just wanna see it your way. It's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me. When you know love is all I need. I don't really want, but I really need to know. Can we get it together?
I just don't know what to do, and I don't understand. No, you know I don't wanna stay. You know I don't wanna go on. Baby, please listen to me. I don't wanna.
The question isn't who am I, but what lens I'm seeing through. You're not your thoughts, you're the watcher. Movie's hue. Remember the man on the park bench, face drawn in sorrow shade. A stranger asked, "What's the matter?" He whispered, "My dog's gone away." But your dog died 10 years ago. Then why am I still here, chained to a ghost in the afterglow, while life just disappears? It's right here, it's right.
So guys, we're in the second room. If you watched the first episode of the Columbus Manor, we kind of done up this room, but ever since then I got a few more stuff. I finally found the linen white curtains. They're sheer, they're not heavy as the other one over there, because sun really comes in ever since we cut the bushes in the front, which we got like 4 bushes to do, but that's neither here or there. And I got this vase. Okay, I already sprayed it down to replace that because I kind of didn't like how that looked. I was just playing around with some stuff. Really? So I did do like all the browns, but I'm gonna do brown and blue because I got a front carpet, like it's an outdoor carpet. It's not really carpet, but it's meant to sustain like outside weather in the front door, since I got hardwood floor. And when we come in with like our shoes and take it off, I want people to wipe their foot on that, and it's easy to clean. So since I naturally am putting a lot of blues in my house downstairs, for some reason, I don't know, I gravitate towards a lot of browns and blues, which is the theme of my son's room and bathroom, funny enough. So I guess it's just the house theme, I subconsciously, just to brighten up the space. I brought some blue pillows to go with this. So we're gonna just kind of restyle this. Hopefully later I can have my husband hang up the curtains and we can see it all come together until we get the paint. He gonna hate taking them curtains down. But, oh well. So let's do it.
Begging for time to last. It's right here, it's right now. But you're stuck in the past, still nailed to that park bench, begging for time to last. The park bench is empty, the dog's long gone, but you're the sunrise, you're the dawn.
Avec ce mal, j'ai fait du sens. L'absence déchire mes caches d'amour. Avec ce mal, j'ai fait du sens. L'absence est un mal qui étouffe. Je m'en veux, je me lève la peine au corps. Je pensais que c'était fini, mais un livre, un film suffisent à réveiller ton souvenir. Je ne suis pas capable de me tenir parole. Je te jure, c'est un cas d'école. Proche de mon cœur sur ma chair, tu étais mon talisman, babe. Mon talisman, babe. Mon talisman, babe. Proche de mon cœur sur ma chair, tu étais mon talisman, babe. Mon talisman, babe. Mon Quand on aime, j'y crois plus. À cause de toi, je m'étais sans sûr. J'ai trop peur qu'on parte. Je ne mange pas, je prie plus. Je te plains pour ça. Mon cerveau qui me torture. Tu refais ça. Quand on m'aime, j'y crois plus. J'y crois plus.